Hi students, 12th standard computer application chapter 16 electronic payment systems. In this video, we are going to learn about what is electronic payment systems and the various types of e-payment methods. Now, let us start. Introduction to electronic payment system. So every day people buy or sell goods and services for money. So money becomes the major medium of exchange. So money is very important. So it is used to transfer, and later some payment systems were developed out of a need to facilitate the growth of commerce and economic development. The medium used for transferring the value of money is very diversified. That is, the media is used for transferring the value of money is increased. So ranging from the use of a simple payment instrument, for example cash, to use the complex system, that is cryptocurrency. It is a medium of exchange coin. And physical money, cash, is the traditional and most widely used payment that instrument that consumer uses in their daily lives to buy goods and services. As the volume and variety of a transaction expands, the value of money also expands. Using cash for each large transaction is neither feasible nor practically possible. The security and transportation problem arises in this case, where large amounts of transactions are involved. Banks would support in such cases by offering other payment methods. So that is, the cashless society has been discussed for a long time. The demise of cash and checks could not be sudden, though old habits hardly die. People do not hesitate adapting new things. Next, definition about electronic payment system. An electronic payment system is a financial arrangement that consists of intermediator to facilitate transfer of money, substitute between a payer and receiver. So here electronic payment system means it is the intermediator between the payer and receiver. Sometimes it is also called liquidation, clearing system, or clearing service. It ensures the transfer of value from one subject of economy to another, and it plays an important role in modern monetary system. Modern payment systems may be physical or electronic, and each has its own procedures and protocols that guide the financial institution with the payment mechanisms and legal systems. Then the term e-payment, electronic payment. So the electronic payment means it refers to a payment made from one bank account to another bank account using electronic methods, foregoing the direct intervention of bank employees. That is electronic payment. Once again I repeat. So it refers the payment made from one bank account to another bank account. And the payment system is an essential part of company financial operations. But it becomes a complex when many different payment systems are used. So further challenges come from the continuous introduction of newer payment systems like Paytm, UPI, Bitcoin, and various mobile payment options. So in our day-to-day life we used so many payment options, and as a result there are more than 750 payment systems throughout the world we used. So throughout the world we used more than 750 payment systems. So payment method, we can transfer bank, and then mobile banking, internet banking, ECS, etc. And next, classification of electronic payment methods. So here, many electronic payment methods have been developed with the advancement of in the internet technology. So based on the internet technology, so many payment methods are developed. So based on the value of money transactions, processing time, processing requirements, security issues, and usability, electronic systems are generally divided into two types. One is microelectronic payment, another one is macroelectronic payment. Microelectronic payment system. It is an online payment system designed to allow efficient and frequent payments of a small amount. So we can transfer a less amount. In order to keep transaction cost very low, the communication and computational costs are minimized here. Unlike macroelectronic payment, which use expensive public key and cryptography, microelectronic payments are relaxed by using lightweight cryptography primitives and offline payment verification. As the security of microelectronic payment system is comparatively low, it can be tempered by, but the cost of fraud is much higher than the possible value to be gained by fraud itself. So, the security in microelectronic payment is considered to be adequate. The majority of microelectronic payment systems are designed to pay for simple goods on the internet. So, we used in internet. So, example, we can say that subscription of online games and read journals, listen to a song or watch a movie online, etc. So these are all the examples for microelectronic payment. And we have some general steps to explain about microelectronic payment transactions. That is the step 1. So customer proves his authentication and payment processor issues micropayment. And step 2, customers pay the micropayment to the online service provider and gets the requested goods or services from them. So the customer pay the micropayment to the online service providers and gets the goods and services. And step 3, services provider deposit micropayment received from the customer to the payment processor and gets the money. And next one is macroelectronic payment system. So the macroelectronic payment system, it supports the payments of higher value. The security requirements are more rigorous in macro payment system because of huge money transaction. So in macroelectronic payment, we transfer the higher values, high amounts. And some of the popular macro online payment systems are mentioned below. So we have some macro electronic payment systems. That is, the first one is card based payment system. Card based means we used a card. We have different types of cards, that is debit cards, credit cards, and stored value cards, etc. Here credit card means pay later. Debit card means pay before. So these are all the way we used card-based payment systems. So the first one, card-based payment system. And electronic account transfer. Can transfer the account. Electronic account transfer. And next one is electronic cash payment system. We transfer the amount through online, electronic cash payment system. And mobile payment system and internet payment system. Mobile banking or internet banking. So these are all the way to transfer the money. So the last one is, once again I repeat, macro payment means it refers the transaction that usually start from multiple units of the basic currency unit. The system should be able to handle these payments in secure and efficient fashion. So, have two types of classification in e-payment, that is micro payment system and another one is macro payment system. Thank you, students.